Good.
Sydney, Vietnam.
Okay, let's start, Batman. What cloth is it? What cloth is it? It's a skirt. Again. Again, it's a next dress. These are okay. Now tell me, what are you wearing today, Batman? Today I'm wearing shirt and okay. What number is it, Batman?
Number 30. Number 40. Number 50.
Fifth.
Number 50. Number 60.
Okay, now can you tell me how many flowers are there? How many flowers are there? There are how many flowers? Fifth. There are 50. Next, tell me which is bigger, which is smaller? The elephant or the mouse? The mouse? The ant is smaller. Okay, now you tell me, what do you want to buy in the shop, Batman? I want to buy the bigger. What color? The bigger. What color? The bigger. What color? The bigger. Green. Again, I want to buy. Colin. Is it made of leather or cloth? Colin. Is it plain or pattern? Plain or pattern? Is it plain or pattern? Go. Is it plain or pattern? Is it plain or pattern? Okay, what is it? The man runs. Fast. Fast. What is it? Slide. What can he do? The man can. What can the boy do? Climb. Again. She can. What can she do? She can. They can. Oh, what can the rabbit do? Can Okay, what about Batman? What can you and can't you do? I can, but I can't.
I can swim. I can swim.
Okay, what is it?
It's a bee. It's a
Flag. Flag of? Where is the ball? Next to or between? The ball is next to or between? The boxes. Where is the apple? Next to or between? The apple is next to the box. Where is the apple? Next to or between? The apple is? Where is the egg? The egg is? The basket. Where is the egg? Next to or between? The Oh, what does it move? It moves its tail. Next, what does the bird use? The bird uses it's an umbrella. How does it move? It moves. It moves